Another Temu haul, guys. I'm being obsessed with Temu. I just love my cheap stuff. Of course, if I don't like some things, I just return them, and it's so easy to return them. So this time we're gonna see what it came on the mail. These items, I purchased them for fall items and Halloween items. It was 100 and something. I don't know how much I spent. Who cares? Oh, yes. Ooh, I ordered this plastic translucent bag. Because last time I went to a football game in the stadium, when you go to get in the stadium, they were checking your bags, and I just think it's easy to, put your bag or your things on a translucent bag so they can see what you have. This is supposed to be a hard. Hold on. So it's supposed to be a hard green bag, but I don't like it. I think I'm gonna return this because it's just not well made. Look, I'll put the price, how much I pay for this, but not worth it. Okay, these are Halloween shoes. It's the time of the year. I already started decorating my front door. So I order a size up because the review says size up. So this is a shoe. Yeah, oh my god, these are so cute, and yeah, it fits perfect. Definitely size up, because I think it might be feel tight on my regular size. So yeah, beautiful. Look. Ooh, so cute. Whew. I ordered this hoodie. Oh, it's a sweater, I guess. Oh my god, look, it's two skeletons. So cute. I'll show you right now. Okay, this is the sweater. Super nice. Ooh. Feels good quality, yeah. Look. Ooh. What's that? I don't know. Oh my god, so cute. Look at this. So nice. It says spooky vibes. Oh yeah. Yep. Look at this. Ooh, it fits perfect. Yes. I love it. And again, the quality is good. Honestly, I never expect that the quality is gonna be so good on these sweaters. Just don't doubt it. Buy them. Okay. Let's go. Another sweater. Of course. Oh my god. Is the season. So cute. Yeah. Oh my god, it feels so soft. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. Look at that. It's a season. Yep. Beautiful. So these are rings. Oh my god, these rings are very nice quality actually. They feel heavier than I thought. I don't use everyday rings, but I like to use rings when I do my nails and when we go out. And yeah, so pretty, so cute. Ooh, I ordered these earrings. Ooh. Let me see. I sell
also jewelry, and I sell stainless silver jewelry, no cheap jewelry. And these are my Frida Kahlo jewelry. Go to my shop to see what kind of jewelry I sell. Ooh, wow, it's cute. I like them. They're cute. Yeah. Another earrings. They are same like pearls. Wow, it's beautiful. Look. Love it. Ooh, I ordered this magnetic piercing, like a fake piercing, but they are magnetic. Wow. This is so cute. Oh my god, look at this. Did I put it in the right place? I don't know. But wow, you put the magnetic thing, this magnetic thing, and this, and look. The only thing I noticed that if you like touch your face, you can, you know, remove it very easily because it's magnetic. But you just only have to be careful of avoiding this part of your nose so you don't lose the thing. I ordered this clock for my son because he wakes up like literally 15 minutes before the bus gonna pick him up. So it's this clock and has a charger. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, look. So, oh, reset, up, down. So cute. And the last thing I ordered is this skin whitening. And because I've been noticing that my neck is getting kind of dark and I don't like it. Just don't look good, girls. So the instructions comes in here, and you have to apply twice a day. In the evening and in the night. I mean, in the morning and in the evening. Reduce the look of age spots, cover to skin, and make skin look brighter. But it doesn't say if it stains the stains the clothes. So I'm gonna do that every single day, and I will let you know if this works. It says that it's for the underarm pit, but I don't know. I'm just gonna give it a try in here. What the heck I'm doing? No, it's for, you know, the underarm, but anyway.